that way, because I already knew I had to sand it down. So I went ahead and put a lot of filler on here so I can sand it down and it'll all be real smooth. And I'm glad I did that, because it's definitely working. Y'all know this is still soft. The armrest is still really soft. It ain't crunchy or hard or anything, you feel what I'm saying? We're gonna have to rock out with it until I can find one, you know? And like I said, I've done a couple coats of paint on here, and y'all can literally see the imperfections. I couldn't get it smooth. I tried sanding and sanding and sanding, but then when I started sanding too much, some of the repair filler would start going away. Then I have to add more. It's just too much, you know, and it's too far gone for me to be trying to save, you know? Yeah, mostly when people do the repair filler, it's like one small crack, not the entire thing was messed up and you're trying to repair the whole thing with that filler. Like I said, it's my first time doing it, and I probably could have done a lot better, but yeah, I didn't, and I'm inexperienced, not even gonna lie to y'all. So yeah, man, it's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna let this finish drying before I just go put it up. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now we finna go ahead and paint my Cutlass center console armrest. We're finna go ahead and paint it, but first I gotta sand down some of that repair filler and everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and spray some coats on it, you know what I'm saying? It shouldn't take no more than like 3 coats maybe of the blue, and then I'm gonna do 2 coats of the clear coat, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know we're not gonna be able to throw it back in the car because the car's gone. And like I said, I don't know how long it's gonna be gone. My guesstimation was about 2 weeks maybe, you feel what I'm saying? Be gone for about 2 weeks. And y'all know it's a lot of stuff that gotta get done to it. A lot of fabricating, I should say, and welding that really gotta get done to that car. Some metal work and all types of stuff, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm not in a rush to get the car back. And like I told y'all, I'm close to the shop, so every day I can ride by and make sure the car is not outside just sitting. And it's not. It's been inside the shop since we dropped it off, you know what I'm saying? That same video I recorded showing y'all me dropping the car off, it was pulled right into the shop and started working on right then and there, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited, man. I'm so excited to get that car back. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and do this armrest bar. And if y'all see, I'm still in the box Chevy. I haven't got to drop it off yet because y'all know my charger is going first, and it's been pouring raining, so I haven't been able to drop neither one of the cars off, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, my charger got to get done before I drop this off, because the same dude that's gonna be putting the motor in this car is the same mechanic that's gonna be fixing my AC and my charger. Gonna be putting my new compressor in. I got a new condenser going in there as well, and we're gonna be putting some Freon in there, so he gonna be doing that all for me. And then once the charger's finished, then I'm gonna drive the box Chevy to him, and he gonna come and get the motor, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it like that. So y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. It's getting done, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I know I told y'all it was going to happen such and such day, or you feel me, like a couple days ago, but like I said, it's the weather that's been messing everything up. It's been raining really badly, and you feel what I'm saying? So I'm patient, you know what I'm saying? I'm not in a rush to get the motor done. It's gonna get done. He already told me he gonna do it for me, so I've already got the person doing it, so I'm not worried about when or how long, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna happen, you know? That's all y'all gotta worry about. It's gonna happen. So like I said, man, we finna go ahead and do this armrest though. I'm gonna need to quit getting off track. Go ahead and paint this Cutlass armrest and sand it down, of course, and then leave it alone, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be done. And I'm not gonna put it in my charger. I'm finna start taking some of this stuff out of my charger and just, you know what I'm saying, put it in my room and just leave it how it is, you know what I'm saying? Because yeah, I'm tired of my charger being packed up like that. For one, I want to clean the inside of it. Like, I really need to anyways. I need to clean it, and I want to. So yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button though. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to auto. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos. Keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, I'll catch y'all once we get outside and we finna start sanding. Alright, y'all see now I'm in the back, and we went ahead and got all the materials and everything. Get all this stuff. So we got everything back here. I got the extra repair filler, which is in this box, just in case if I need to add more on here after I go ahead and sand it down. Got my sandpaper in my block, and then we got the paint, you know what I'm saying? And it shouldn't take no more than, oh, this can almost empty. I'm definitely going to go and grab another can, but yeah, we got the paint, and like I said, the wind's starting to blow now. I should just use, the only thing I should need is just this 1 can of the clear though for sure, because I'm only gonna do like 2 coats. But like I said, man, we gotta sand it down. I'm not gonna paint the backside because the backside really needs some filler on it itself. But yeah, I'm not gonna touch the backside. I'm just gonna paint just the sides, both sides, front and back, and then this center part. And then I gotta make sure I sand down this little button here. So yeah, man, that's the only thing we're gonna do now is try to sand down as much as possible, try to get everything good, you feel what I'm saying? To try and make sure everything is sanded really good. Ooh, stop. Turn my ringer off. I be forgetting, y'all, to turn my phone ringer off because people be calling and texting non-stop. But yeah, man, let's go ahead, see how, y'all know, and like I told you, y'all know I put a lot of extra filler on this that way because I already knew I had to sand it down, so I went ahead and put a lot of filler on here so I can sand it down and it'll all be real smooth. And I'm glad I did that because it's definitely working. Y'all know this is still soft, the armrest is still really soft. It ain't crunchy or hard or anything, you feel what I'm saying? So like I said, man, the main thing I gotta do is get this all smoothed down, so to where you can't even tell after I paint it that I added filler. And this might take me a little while, but I'd rather have too much filler on here and be able to sand it down than not have enough and have to add more filler. You know, that's just the way I see it, you feel me? And I got my alcohol too to be able to wipe off all the dust and dirt and grime and stuff. I might have to change out the sandpaper. This is the same sandpaper I used the last time when I had to grind this down. Y'all remember the last video I did on this one, armrest? Just that same sandpaper. I'm definitely going to have to change it out. But I didn't bring no scissors to cut it, and I didn't really want to rip it. But it is what it is. And it's definitely been longer than 2 days since I came back to check on this. It's been like 4 days, not gonna lie to y'all. I don't know if y'all can see the dust flying off of it though. I don't know if y'all see it, but I see it. It's definitely working though. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm not talking too much. I'm really trying to concentrate. Make sure I don't miss nothing. Make sure I get everything good, you know. But it's definitely coming out real smooth, you know. And it feel like some spots I need to add more, but man, I do not want to keep adding. But I definitely want this to look good. I don't want it to be half done, you know. And I'm not pushing too hard on it. I'm definitely doing like really light sanding, because I don't want all of this filler to just start coming right off, even though it's stuck on there really good. I'm trying to get this really hot spot down. Cause you feel me, if I just go ahead and throw paint right over it, all of this stuff will show. And that's not what I want. And y'all know this is my first time ever doing something like this, trying to repair an armrest. This is my first time doing something like this. I ain't never done nothing like this before. Never in my time of helping my dad work on his cars. You feel me? I ain't never done nothing like this before. And y'all know just about everything I've done with these cars has been my first time doing that stuff, you know? And that's just the process of learning. You gotta try. See, I'm a hands-on type of learner. I don't, like in school, you feel me? I was more so of a hands-on type of learner instead of just reading a book and seeing how to do it, you know? I gotta actually try to do it myself before. You know, that's just how I always been. So a lot of the stuff with me doing these cars has been my first time actually trying to do this stuff. Like I ain't never done this stuff before. And it all really worked out pretty good, you know? It ain't really nothing that I've done in these videos that I messed up on tremendously that I couldn't come back and fix, you know? Nothing, literally nothing. Trying to make sure I get that curve good too. I think I need another sandpaper. Let me try this one. It's 240 grit. Alright, so I'm not gonna bore y'all, or force y'all to keep watching this. So after I get my first coat on, I'm gonna come back to y'all, show y'all the process of what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, keep y'all updated. So it's probably gonna take me like another 30 minutes to sand this down and get it all perfect the way I want it. So y'all just stay tuned, I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright y'all, so not gonna lie to y'all, this armrest is not coming out as good as I thought it was gonna do. You feel me? This mug, I'm not gonna lie, definitely was a little too far gone to be trying to save. So I'm definitely going to keep my eye on trying to find one. Like I said, I don't need the entire center console with the armrest. All I need is just this armrest piece. So like I said, I'm keeping my eye on eBay and really everywhere until I can find one. I even been checking Facebook and ain't nobody parting out no Cutlasses, you feel me? Or if they are, they have like the bench seat or the 60/40 seat and not the bucket seats with the center console in the middle. So yeah, I literally can't find no console and I just need literally just this armrest, bro. Because it's like I said, it's way too far gone for me to be trying to save. But we're gonna have to rock out with it until I can find one, you know? And like I said, I've done a couple coats of paint on here and y'all can literally see the imperfections. I couldn't get it smooth. I tried sanding and sanding and sanding, but then when I started sanding too much, some of the repair filler would start going away. Then I have to add more. It's just too much, you know, and it's too far gone for me to be trying to save, you know. So I'm definitely going to try and find one. Like I said, I'm gonna keep my eye out to try and see if I can find one. And you feel me? I've literally been checking every day since before I even started doing this repair filler stuff. And it was literally one on eBay, one. And the minute I went to try to buy it, it said sold. You feel me? So yeah, man. I'm gonna probably do one or two more coats of blue, then 2 coats of clear, and then call it a day and leave it how it is, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's too far gone for me to be trying to save. I tried and it don't look terrible, but man, when you get up close to it, man, you can definitely see them imperfections. Look at that. It was definitely too far gone for me to be trying to save. So yeah, definitely wasted my time, wasted the money, and wasted paint on trying to do this. But it'd be all right, you know. I never would have known unless I actually tried to do this little repair job, you know. I wouldn't have known it was too far gone, or I couldn't actually repair it until I started this repair job. Maybe I could have done better, or maybe somebody else could have done better with it, but like I said, man, this thing is, it was too far gone. It's too dry rotted, it was too bad, too sun damaged. So like I said, I'm gonna keep my eye out trying to find another one, and hopefully I can find one. You know, this is literally one of the last pieces I need is just this armrest. So like I said, I'm gonna keep my eye out, see if I can find one, since they really don't make them anymore. You feel me? They don't make them at all anymore. So try to find one, a used one if possible. But until then, we're gonna have to rock out with this. And y'all know the Cutlass not here anyway, so I can't really put this back in the car. But at least it don't look as bad as it did at first. You know, if I were to just do a coat of paint on it, it would have looked terrible. It looks somewhat better right now, but it's just not, it's not it. You know, so I'm gonna try and find one if I can. If not, then honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So catch y'all once I'm fully finished with this. You know, once I'm done, I'm gonna catch y'all for the outro and show y'all the end result. All right, man, so I'm done now. I'm done with everything, clear and everything on it, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I don't have a choice but to use this until I can find me one. Maybe I can find like a wrap or something to put on it, you feel me? Like a console lid or something, you know? Maybe I can find something to like put over it to cover it up, to try to hide some of these imperfections, you know? But yeah, or like I said, or I just wrap it, you know? I'll figure something out like that. But here we go, right here. And get up close, y'all see it. It's like, it ain't even wavy, it's just not smooth like I wanted it to be. And like I said, I sanded and sanded. Then when I sanded too much, the material went away. Like when I sanded enough for it to be smooth, it wasn't still as smooth, you know? It was way too far gone for me to be trying to save, you know, and I just wanted to at least try and see if I can save it. I thought I could, but yeah, mostly when people do the repair filler, it's like one small crack, not the entire thing was messed up and you're trying to repair the whole thing with that filler. Like I said, it's my first time doing it, and I probably could have done a lot better, but yeah, I didn't, and I'm inexperienced, not even gonna lie to y'all. So yeah, man, it's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna let this finish drying before I just go put it up. And yeah, we're gonna have to throw it in the Cutlass for now. Like I said, it's just gonna have to be a temporary thing until I can find something to either do with it, either wrap it or find another one. So yeah, man, like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. I'm kind of disappointed it didn't work out like I thought it would, but hopefully it will later on, you feel what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way up, be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. Like I said, I'm gonna keep looking and see what I can find. Hopefully I can find another one that's not bad, you know, to where it'll need repair filler too. I'm not finna waste money on trying to do the same thing and it don't work. And if not, I'm gonna try and find like something to cover it up with, you feel me? So, and the wind is just blowing my tarp over. Y'all washed it in the back. So yeah, man, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoy. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. If y'all can find one, send it to me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.